cinematic shot of Emma.
Encore une fois. All I want is the best for our lives, my dear, and you know my wishes are sincere.
He's going home. Bailey looks like a nun. Go, guy, go! It does sit like maple. There's such big cases for such tiny things. Yeah, this one is really crazy. I don't know what this is. Man, that's huge. Wow on camera so often. Imagine just your daily commute is like right here. White Fox. Long lovely ride. Look at those balconies, Bailey. Here's Hudson.
Johnson and Murphy, DSG, Nike, New Balance, Oakley's, James Avery.
This is a rinky dink. Three people can fit in here? Hey, no.
Billy, no press
Close.
Press 0.
Guys, open the door.
Okay, we might be stuck in here.
Someone get us open.
Wait, did we move? Nobody moved. These doors are gonna open. Push on the green door. Too many stairs. Too many stairs. Pretty cool, right out. At your face.
Oh no, my
This
chip
is
tooth.
really fun. Oh no.
Oh, no.
You just said it. You just said chip tooth.
Yeah, I know. Because I have one.